Before buying Bluetooth car speakers, there's one thing you need to know that no product page will tell you, but the real buyers are definitely talking about it.
Product number 1, Nulaxi 54W Bluetooth Car Adapter. Let's kick things off with the Nulaxi 54W Bluetooth 5.3 Car Adapter Charger. Priced at just $12.98, it caught my eye with its cool features and fast charging capabilities. If you want a solid way to enjoy hands-free calls and boost your device's battery life, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Nulaxi adapter boasts a whopping 54-watt high-power fast charging with a unique 4-port design. That means you can charge multiple devices quickly without any anxiety about running low on battery. Plus, its Bluetooth 5.3 technology ensures you get a fast and stable connection, making your calls clearer and music playback smoother. With over 10,000 units sold in the past month, it's clear people love it. Now, some users pointed out that pairing the device can be tricky at first. Here's the thing though, once you get used to it, it's pretty straightforward. It might be a bit of a learning curve for some, but for most drivers, the convenience it offers outweighs that initial hassle. This is perfect for you if you often juggle multiple devices while driving. Skip this one if you're looking for something with built-in music storage or a more advanced sound system. For $12.98, you really can't beat the value. Now, if the learning curve for the Nulaxi bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach.
Product number 2, Sony SRS XB100 Portable Speaker. The Sony SRS XB100 Wireless Bluetooth Portable Speaker. While I couldn't find an exact price listed, its solid build and powerful sound definitely caught my attention. If you want a compact speaker that delivers clear sound anywhere, this is definitely worth a look. Let's talk about features. The XB100 has an IP67 rating, meaning it's waterproof and dustproof. So whether you're at the beach or in the shower, this speaker has got you covered. Plus, it offers up to 16 hours of battery life, so you can enjoy your music all day without worrying about recharging. With a powerful driver that enhances low-end tones, you'll experience deep bass that really brings your tunes to life. It's already sold over 4,000 units this month, which says a lot about its popularity. However, some users mention that the bass can sometimes overpower the mids and highs. I'll be real with you, if you're an audiophile who needs a perfectly balanced sound, you might want to look elsewhere. But for casual listeners, the punchy bass will definitely enhance your experience. This is perfect for you if you enjoy outdoor activities and want a durable speaker that's easy to carry. Skip this one if you prioritize audio fidelity above all else. Considering its quality, it's a great investment for portable sound. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for outdoor parties.
Product number 3, WKing 90-watt waterproof speaker. We have the WKing Bluetooth speaker, which delivers an impressive 90-watt max output and is waterproof with an IPX6 rating. At $69.99, this speaker caught my attention with its powerful sound and long battery life. If you're looking for a boombox that can handle outdoor conditions and deliver deep bass, this is worth checking out. This speaker features 2 subwoofers and double passive bass radiators, which means you'll get punchy bass and clear sound at high volumes. With a playback time of up to 40 hours, you can take it to parties without worrying about charging. Plus, it serves as a power bank to charge your devices, which is super handy during outdoor adventures. With over 1,000 units bought recently, it's clearly a hit. However, some users found it a bit bulky for everyday use. Here's the thing though, if you're planning to take it to parties or use it outdoors, that extra size is a fair trade-off for the sound quality and durability you're getting. This is perfect for you if you love hosting parties or need a speaker for outdoor activities. Skip this if you want something lightweight and easy to carry around daily. For the price, you're getting a lot of performance. Now, if the size of the WKing was a concern, the next option is designed to be super portable.
Product number 4, AGP Tech Car Speaker. We have the AGP Tech Car Speaker with Bluetooth 5.3. Priced at $21.99, it's a budget-friendly option that caught my eye for its hands-free capabilities. If you want a simple way to take calls and listen to music in your car, this is worth considering. What's great about the AGP Tech is its built-in 3W microphone, which provides clear call quality and music playback thanks to excellent noise reduction technology. It clips easily to your car's sun visor, making it super convenient. Plus, the Bluetooth 5.3 technology means quick and stable connections, so you won't be fussing with your phone while driving. It's already sold over 400 units recently, indicating its popularity among drivers.
Now, some reviews mention that the sound quality may not be as robust as higher-end models, but honestly, for the price, it delivers decent sound for calls and casual listening. If you're just looking for something functional without breaking the bank, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you need a hands-free solution for calls while driving. Skip this if you're looking for high-fidelity sound quality. At $21.99, it's a solid value for casual use. Alright, that was a great budget option, but if you're after something that does more than just play music, the next product is a game changer.
Product number 5, Avanttree Road Trip Speaker. We have the Avanttree Road Trip, car Bluetooth speaker and wireless FM transmitter kit, priced at $64.99. This one really stands out because it offers both a speaker and FM transmitter. If you want versatility in your car audio, this is definitely worth a look. The Road Trip features dual 3-watt speakers for crystal clear calls and high-definition sound. What's cool is that it can automatically power off when you leave your car and power back on when you return. Super convenient. Plus, it has built-in noise reduction for your calls, ensuring you'll be heard clearly no matter what. It's already gained traction with over 200 sales, showing it's appealing to those who need functionality on the go. Some users did mention that the volume control could be a bit finicky at times. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, it works just fine. If you're someone who needs hands-free calling and streaming without any fuss, this minor issue is easily overlooked. This is perfect for you if you want an all-in-one solution for your car audio needs. Skip this if you're looking for a simple Bluetooth speaker without the added features. For $64.99, you're getting a lot of functionality for the price.
The Nolaxy adapter is perfect for charging multiple devices. The Sony SRS XB100 is a great compact option. The W King speaker is a powerhouse for outdoor parties. The AGP Tech is a solid budget choice for hands-free calls. And the Avanttree Road Trip gives you versatility with its FM transmitter. Each has its own strengths, so think about what you need most.